Hello everyone, it's great to see you back on the channel. Today I've got something truly exciting to share, a stunning pair of Manolo Blahnik shoes that I've been looking forward to showing you. But before we dive into the unboxing, let me ask you a quick question. What's that luxury item that makes you feel like you're truly living your best life? Is it a stylish handbag, a fabulous pair of shoes, or maybe something else? I really want to know your thoughts, so make sure to leave your answers in the comments below, and let's see what gives you that special moment of joy. Now let's get right to the box and see what I got. My dream shoes from Manolo Blahnik. When you hear the noise, guys, sorry because construction is ongoing. Now, we've got the Lurum 90 embellished mules from Manolo Blahnik, and this particular design has been on my wish list for quite a while. Unfortunately, it's not available yet again here in the Philippines, which made it a bit of a challenge to acquire them. After a good amount of searching, I finally took the plunge and ordered them online from My Teresa. The wait for them to arrive took about a week, and I was absolutely buzzing with excitement the entire time. I love them. When it comes to sizing, I normally wear a size 39, but I decided to go up a size, and I got this in 40 instead. I'm really hoping they fit perfectly when I try them on for you. So now let's talk about the design of these mules. They are absolutely gorgeous. They feature a sleek pointed toe and 90mm stiletto heels that really elevate their appearance. The shoes are adorned with beautiful crystal embellishments, adding just the right hint of sparkle. I chose to go with the black because I believe it's a timeless color that can easily match various outfits. Now let's discuss about the price. The retail price on the website sits at 1,049 euros, but I had to consider some extra expenses. I ended up spending nearly 25,000 PHP on customs duties, taxes, and shipping fees. When I added everything up and converted it to Philippine pesos, the grand total came to around 92,000 pesos. It's certainly a substantial investment, but I feel like the shoes are worth it for their elegance and enduring charm. Well, investing in luxury items can offer spark various feelings. Some may find it extravagant to spend a large sum on a single piece, while others view it as well-deserved treat for their hard work. I believe it's essential to indulge in things that brings us happiness. Whether it's a pair of shoes, a handbag, or any luxury item, if it enhances your joy and self-confidence, then it definitely holds value. When we talk about luxury brands like this, the Manolo Blahniks, there's a certain allure to owning something from such a prestigious label. These shoes are not just around being stylish. They represent quality, craftsmanship, and a sense of prestige. A lot of fashion lovers dream of owning a piece from Manolo Blahnik because their brand symbolizes elegance and sophistication. In the realm of footwear, Manolo Blahnik has made its mark as an iconic brand that many people want to have in their closets. Their designs beautifully combine comfort and high fashion. The brand is often linked to red carpet events and high-profile occasions, making their shoes a popular choice for parties, weddings, and other celebrations, depending on how you decide to style them. You can either dress them up or dress them down, keep them casual, making them versatile for various outfits. They can be paired with a lovely dress for a night out or styled with tailored pants for a polished day look, effortlessly enhancing any ensemble. I am now excited to try these mules on. I'm filled with anticipation about how they will fit and look on me. They are absolutely gorgeous. Shoes have a unique ability to elevate your entire appearance and boost your confidence. And I've always believed that the right pair of shoes can truly make or break an outfit. So let's see how these beauties look on. I'm super happy about the look. They really are beautiful. About the fit, they're very comfortable. And the size, I'm glad I sized up because as you can see, they fit perfectly on me. And I can't wait to style these shoes. In closing, today we ventured into the luxurious world of Manolo Blahnik's Lurum 90 embellished mules. From exploring their breathtaking design and elegance to discussing the investment involved. I hope you enjoyed this sneak peek into what makes these shoes so exceptional. I'd love to hear your thoughts on your own favorite luxury items. Please don't forget to share your personal wow factors in the comments below. And let's keep this conversation going. So if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on your notifications so you won't miss out on future content. Thank you for joining me today. Bye!